let's look at the cyclic voltammetry applications, which are available here under the applications menu. And as mentioned last time, we should mouse over these and see how we should use them. So the first one, called plot CV separate scans, this will plot potential versus current and split by scan. And to use it, we should select the tables containing the CV data, including scans. And this is exactly what I have here. So I have some CV data, including the scan information. So I will select both of these tables and choose plot CV separate scans. And as promised, I get a plot of the CVs separated by scan. So here I can choose specific scans to show. And if I don't want to separate it by scan, I can select tables and choose the second application, which is just plot CV. And this just says plot CVs for all selected tables. And I should select the tables with current versus potential data, which is what I've done. So I choose this, and then I get my CV plot without splitting by the scan. Finally, we just have one more application, which is normalize CV. This, it says, will divide the current by a value, and we should select the tables with current data and then choose a normalization constant. So let's do that. We'll select both of our tables, click the normalize CV, and that brings up this function dialog. And as you can see, we will divide by a value. It's the current that will be divided by a constant. And by default here, it's a 1.2 centimeter diameter circular area, but we can change it to something else. So maybe something like 0.123 grams, if this is the mass that we want to normalize by. If we want, we can also choose to replace the current data series with this normalized one, but I'll keep it as after series A, and that will just add another normalized data series. And now we can see we have our normalized current here in both of the tables. So that is how you use the cyclic voltammetry applications.